Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on this device, like absolutely all settings, how to reset them to the default. Firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the general management, reset, and select reset all settings, and then confirm it. And after that your device will be restarted and all the settings will be reset to default. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.